Mwikoiro munene uria kwirikanite ni mutongoria wa gikundi gikirire mukana gya confirm Dickson Macharia wa Waithira ni aikitio gono. Macharia arahithukirio tauni-ini ya Naikuru thutha wa maafitha borithi gutabania firigisheni ya gwethana nake kurumirira mũrũmanĩrĩrio wa tharĩkĩra cia mahinda kwa mahinda kaunti-ini ya Naikuru. Agikira uhoro uyu mukode kamanda wa borithi Naikuru Peter Mwanzo augite mwikoro uyu wa miaka 35 akoretwo ari mutongoria wa gikundi giki na ni mũrũ wa nyina na mwanjĩrĩria wa gikundi ya confirm uria woikaine ta Biggie.
Last night we were conducting a kind of an operation on a tip-off that following the intelligence and information that we have continuously received, there is a family within Kivumbini which is christened as the royal family, and the royal family is simply because the family seems to be untouchable for whatever reason. That is what we are trying to investigate and establish. And this is a family that is actually said to have begun the criminal gangs and the criminal activities within Nakuru and stealing from them. Now, following the death of Biggie, the elder member of the royal family, then of course his brother called Deco, who is with us here now, took over the reins. And he equally now continued with the operations, and it has been very difficult to reach him. But fortunately last night an operation was conducted and we were able to catch up with him.